Hi everyone, so I got a bit of a life update. I've officially moved from Spain to England, and I'm currently staying at Devon Hills holiday park. And honestly, the landscape is so different here that I couldn't wait to get my camera out. Today, I'm taking you on a POV walk in the park and on the surrounding woods. I also decided to do a mini photo shoot of my dog, how the local light and the green textures work through my lens. So let's set out and see what we can find.
We were sparks on quiet streets, two hearts finding where to meet. But life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark. If I called you tonight, would it feel the same?
So thanks for joining me on my first proper walk in England with this little boy here. And moving from Spain has definitely given me a whole new perspective, and I'm really looking forward to exploring the landscapes that Devon Hills has to offer. And I'm pretty happy with how these first shots turned out, especially seeing how the green textures contrast with my dog. And I'd love to hear what you think. Which shot was your favourite? Or if you're a local photographer, do you have any tips for shooting in British light? But make sure you hit the subscribe button and see my photography adventures here in the UK. I'll see you in the next one.